Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you relocate games on your Epic Games launcher without downloading them again. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and make sure you have opened up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up the launcher guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have and all the games that you can buy on the Epic Store. So guys, let's say this is a game right here that we want to relocate, but we do not want to download the files all again. So guys, how do you do it? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and find the folder where you have installed the game. So guys, as you can see here, here is the folder where we have installed the game. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and copy everything in the folder of the game. So go ahead and copy that files right there. And you want to go ahead guys and copy the files and paste them to another folder that will not be deleted. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder. And I'm going to name it Save for the saved files, and we're going to paste the files right here. So guys, now this file is are in a sure spot, and what we want to do guys is now we want to go ahead back to the Epic Games launcher and uninstall the game. So go ahead and uninstall the game guys, and after uninstalling guys, now you want to go ahead and install the game again. And now you want to choose the new folder where you want to install it. Let's say the new folder is right here that I created, the second folder. Now go ahead and select the folder and start installing guys. When it starts, you can go ahead and pause the installation. If it's a big installation, as you can see, this one goes quick, but if it's a big installation, just pause it. And now guys, go back to the folder where you have just put your new files. Copy them again guys that you have successfully saved from the last time, and copy it and paste them to the new folder guys. So we're going to go ahead and find the new folder right here. Here is the folder, and we're going to go ahead and paste the files. And guys, now you can see all I have to do is wait for the files to paste. As you can see, the files have pasted successfully, and now the game has successfully been downloaded. So guys, just go ahead and click resume, and now this is no longer installing but is only reading the disk. As you can see here, it will be reading the disk. And now guys, as it is finished, you have successfully replaced the files in your folder, and you didn't have to wait again for the game to download. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.